2025 Space Design, Maximizing Small Homes and Harmonizing Indoor-Outdoor Living Spaces. As we step into 2025, the horizon of home design is expanding with innovative solutions that promise to transform living spaces, no matter their size. The focus is on maximizing every inch of your home, while blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor environments to create integrative, functional, and stylish living areas. This is the era of multifunctional space design, where compact apartments and expansive suburban homes alike can benefit from the latest trends in spatial optimization. A key component of this transformation is modular furniture, which offers flexibility and adaptability essential for smaller spaces, yet equally valuable in larger homes. Such pieces can be easily reconfigured to suit different activities, whether it's working, entertaining, or relaxing. Additionally, advanced storage solutions are at the forefront, turning every nook and cranny into viable stowaway options without compromising on aesthetics. One of the standout trends is the use of sliding glass walls and smart partitions, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. This fluid movement not simply expands living space, but also invites natural light and fresh air into the home, aligning perfectly with wellness-focused living. Weatherproof outdoor furniture now caters to year-round use, with designs that ensure comfort and durability irrespective of the season. The Guide to 2025 Space Design delves deep into innovations in furniture technology and space-defining elements. Adaptable zoning strategies redefine how we perceive boundaries within our homes, while concealed storage systems maintain a clean and uncluttered environment. Vertical organization not only enhances storage capacity, but also adds an element of architectural interest to your living space. Whether you are envisioning a cozy outdoor courtyard, an efficient home office, or a luxurious bedroom retreat, these design solutions are tailored to meet the demanding pace of modern life. Make your outdoor spaces an extension of your home by integrating features like climate control and retractable awnings. Think smart glass that adjusts to sunlight, minimizing energy use while maximizing comfort, and allow weatherproof materials to ensure style continuity indoors and outdoors. From bohemian-inspired living spaces that evoke warmth and creativity to ultramodern kitchens with sleek lines and smart appliances, your home can be a personal sanctuary that encompasses functionality, style, and innovation. This is your comprehensive guide to creating a haven where every space serves a purpose, yet each area seamlessly interconnects with the next, making your home not only a dwelling, but a dynamic, adaptive environment perfectly suited for 2025 and beyond.